Hello friends, welcome back to the dedicatedcore.com, and in this video we are going to disclose what are the advantages of forex trading and why we need a forex VPS. This is all about advantages, disadvantages, or you can say the benefits of forex VPS. So in this case, when we talk about a Forex VPS is nothing but a simple VPS or simple computer that runs from the remote. So you can able to take a remote access and you can able to manage the Forex VPS. So what are the advantages of it? There are various advantages over your local computer. If you are active trader and you wanted to trade a lot of times, or you do a 24/7 trading, so that time you need a VPS because you cannot able to do with a local computer. If you do that, so that time you might face some problems like latency, lag in the network, or even if your system may get crashed, and there are a lot of things will be there, power cable, power shutdown, internet connections, and there are a lot of things will be there. But in this video we are going to share you what are the advantages of Forex VPS. So the very first, if you wanted to test any application, so that time you can able to use Forex VPS, because if you wanted to test it, right, so that time you cannot able to use your computer, because if anything goes wrong your computer may get crashed. So better to have another system that is called as a Forex VPS. Also for the demonstration purpose also be used, right, because if you not sure that whether this work or not, so that time you cannot able to use your computer. Again the same reason, maybe someone use your malware based application. So let's say there are a lot of fake ads are going on the internet. They say like you use our Forex VPS auto traders, so that time you can able to get like 10% every day returns. So it is not possible, right? So that time maybe the chances are they might be inject some malware or viruses in your computer if you test on your computer. So better to have a safer guide to use a Forex VPS. So if anything goes wrong, it will happens with the VPS, not with your computer, and in a next minute you can able to reinstall everything and you can able to start. It just take a 5 minutes to reinstall OS. It is just a one-click process. So this is what the advantages is. And moreover, when you are doing any trading, right, so that time lagging and latency and the securities and downtime will never happen with the VPS, because these are the data center based servers. So you can able to know, right, advantages versus data center versus local computer. So local computer always has some limitation, but data center do not have. So basically you will know that best is to use Forex VPS. And for the Forex VPS, we would like to share you one thing. Dedicatedcore.com is the actual vendor for almost 60% of our market Forex VPS company. So directly or indirectly you are purchasing VPS from Dedicatedcore.com. So this is what the thing we would like to share you. Now the next thing is, a local computer versus server has an advantage. What if you run your computer for the 5 or 7 days continuously, it may get burned, right? So we need a VPS, because VPS is a data center. Data center can run 24/7, even if 365 days without any downtime. So this is what the biggest advantage you will get just by paying $10 or $20 or $30. So this is what the saving of your money, because if anything goes wrong with your computer, you might need to pay $100, $500. Even if you have to replace your computer, that cost you $1,000 to $2,000. So this is also a very huge cost for you. So better to have a VPS. So what is the advantage? It is like you are purchasing elephant and handling it with the very small chain. This is what called as a Forex VPS. So you can able to remotely manage entire servers. What is server? It is nothing but another computer. It looks and feel and work similar like your Windows operating system. So you do not have to worry about that. So finally we can able to say only one thing. Just go and try our dedicatedcore.com VPS for the 1 month or 2 months or 4 months and test or demo if it is system work very well. So you can able to put automations, and every 3 or 4 day basis you just monitor things and start earning the money. So in simple words, trade like a boss. Have a great day.